How to fix our download shortcut not working on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any update. So I'll help you address the issue of the R download shortcut not functioning on your iPhone. So what you can do is you can open up any of your web browser. I'm opening up Google Chrome, and then on the search bar search for R download shortcut and then search for it, and then tap on the first link by Routine Hub, and then here you'll find the get shortcut option. Just tap on it. So you'll have to see a ad, and once you've done it, you will need to log into your account. So once you log into your Google account, the R download shortcut will be added back and then it will start working. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.